How to create a custodial account on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custodial account on Robinhood. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. Now click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll see this home page on your screen. Now first option is use a guardian's account. To use your own Robinhood account to manage investment on behalf of your child, you can create a separate watch list or fund for your child and label it accordingly. Now second option is to use other apps offering custodial accounts. If you want a real custodial account, check out apps like Fidelity Youth Account, Accounts Early or Unist, which allows you to open UZMA/UTMA account legally for minors. In future, Robinhood might launch its own custodial account. For that, make sure to get notified when it does. So make sure to enable notification and keep your app updated. So this is how you can create custodial account on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.